check out this old rotary hoe. What a beast. The fellow who owns it said it's just too hard to start and a bit heavy for him to manoeuvre around. So he said I can take it away and try and get it running. I think it should have more compression than that. I can hear that working now, so I think those valves were just stuck from sitting for so long. That's pumping now. Sweet. .017 doesn't have a fit in there, so I think that's wound in a bit tight actually. That's spot on now. So. The old Howard Gem's running pretty sweet now, starting easily and idling nice, but the main problem is it's just so damn loud. You could see that it was pushing 85 decibels, so I'm going to try and quieten it down a bit. The old Toyota hubcap has helped a bit, like it was over 100 decibels. That's brought it down slightly, but it's still way too loud. So I've got this exhaust off an old quad bike, TRX 350. I'll probably mount it somewhere down to that frame there, weld a bar up to this mount point, and I think that'll be good. And then it's going to send all the exhaust gases out to the side rather than straight up my nose. So first step is to try and unwind this exhaust a little bit. I can just twist it around there, and then I'll put it in the vise and try and get this piece out. Get some penetrating oil in there, try and loosen it up a bit. So I'll just weld that on and make a mount for here. It's lowered it down to around 70 decibels, which I'm pretty happy with. You don't really even need earmuffs now. It just sounds like a quad bike really, so that's perfect. Now I've just got to sort out that tine that is missing down there, and it'll be ready to go again. So someone has donated a rear end for the rotary hose, so I can just take one of these tines off here. Saves buying one. Okay, mate.
Can I have a ride on the rotary hose?
Where would we sit, Zanny? On that bit, you reckon?
Yes, maybe a rope.
A tow us with a rope?
Yeah.
Oh, it wouldn't be very comfortable though, would it?
Yeah, but I think we can do it.
I think, mind your fingers, mind your fingers.
What?
I think we would need some sort of wheel here, wouldn't we? Because that's just got a foot, which wouldn't be very good. I'll have a think about it, eh?
A foot?
I'll just finish putting this on and then we'll try and make something to tow us with.
Yeah.
Alright, that should do it. It's got all the tines on it now, so it should cut a bit better now. Alright, the kids want to have a ride on the rotary hoe, so I'm going to try and figure out how to tow the trailer, eh guys?
Yeah.
What about if we put a tow ball on it?
Yeah.
Probably bolt that there somehow, I think.
Probably just screw it up.
Screw it up? What about bolts?
Bolts.
Yeah, a bit of angle iron welded to that bit.
Yeah.
Bolt that on there, I think. Yep, we'll give it a go. I don't even know if it'll tow it, it might just skid.
Yeah.
There's quite a bit of weight.
Luckily I have a seat.
Look at that.
Yay!
We just need like some sort of wheel.
Finally!
Yeah. That'll work. Well, it's not my finest work, but it might do the job. It'll give the kids a bit of a fun ride anyway if it works. Just like riding a Harley Davidson.
What is even a Harley Davidson? What is even a Harley Davidson?
The tractor. That was a bit of fun.
Was a bit of fun.
It's pretty bumpy.
Bit of scary fun.
Make it so much better by putting a rubber pneumatic tyre on there. It's just quite bumpy, but
Yeah.
the kids like it.
Toby's face. Was that fun? Yeah.
Oh, look.
We rode the Rotary Ho, guys.